SATO makes its RFID consumables fully in-house, from designing its own antennas to testing for quality. It's our way of meeting customer needs with RFID consumables of made-in-Japan quality. SATO knows its customers, and that's why we can custom design the best antenna for your purposes. We use specialized software to simulate properties and design the best antenna shape for the surface material and environment demanded. From the design, we make a prototype, which undergoes readability tests from all possible angles and assessments under the assumed environment to develop our own unique antennas. Our antennas for the apparel business, for example, are ARC certified for their high readability even when closed or stacked. Once developed, SATO's antennas go through a series of endurance tests in specific environments. A bend test to assess tolerance under print pressure, exposure to instant change in temperature from -50 to +100 degrees Celsius, tests under pressurized steam sterilization assuming use in an autoclave, communication checks in extreme cold of -83 degrees Celsius, and an impact test on the inlay itself. Thorough tests in these environments are what define the made-in-Japan quality of SATO's RFID consumables. The custom antennas are then made into consumables, first using the chip mounter. The chip is mounted over conductive adhesive applied on the antenna and bonded with heat and pressure to achieve connection. These inlays are then converted to labels. A converter laminates the inlay between face stock and liner, die cuts, and removes excess material to produce RFID labels. SATO runs communication tests in all these procedures to ensure quality during production. And once the labels are done, a final series of tests verifies the media for quality required of each type. Only the labels that have passed all tests are wound and delivered to the customer. Our RFID manufacturing plant at Kitakami Operations manages a clean production environment that controls temperature, humidity, dust and pests, as well as static electricity and microbes that can affect precision instruments. With the monitoring room constantly keeping track of dust and microbe contamination, the chip mounting room maintains a clean room standard equivalent to a hospital surgery room. SATO knows its customers' operations, and that's why we have the best solutions that meet your needs in RFID consumables. Count on SATO to be your reliable supplier of custom-made RFID consumables of made-in-Japan quality.